Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Cloud. First, head to the Adobe website to sign up for an account. You'll choose a subscription plan, perhaps a single app or the full Creative Cloud suite. After logging in, you'll see your personalized dashboard. This central hub gives you immediate access to all your installed applications, cloud storage, and ongoing projects. Take a moment to explore the interface and locate the Apps tab to download your desired creative tools. Adobe Cloud offers a vast array of creative applications, from Photoshop for stunning image manipulation to Premiere Pro for professional video editing. You can easily download and install these tools directly from your dashboard. Your subscription includes generous cloud storage, often 100 gigabytes or more, allowing you to save all your projects securely online. This means your work is always accessible, whether you're on your desktop, laptop, or even a mobile device, ensuring a smooth workflow across all platforms. Managing your files in Adobe Cloud is straightforward. You can upload and download assets directly through the Creative Cloud desktop application or the web interface. The powerful syncing feature ensures that any changes you make to a file are automatically updated across all your connected devices, keeping your workflow consistent. Furthermore, Adobe Cloud maintains a version history for your files, allowing you to revert to previous iterations if needed, offering peace of mind and flexibility in your creative projects. Collaboration is a cornerstone of Adobe Cloud. You can easily share your projects and assets with colleagues or clients, inviting them to view or contribute. The platform allows for seamless feedback, enabling others to add comments and annotations directly to your shared files, streamlining the review process. You also have full control over permissions, deciding who can simply view your work, who can comment, and who has editing access, ensuring secure and efficient teamwork on all your creative endeavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.